So to go with my tomato rice, my raita, and my mustard lady's fingers, the main dish will be, of course, the lamb. So as you can see, I've already boiled the lamb because I want it to be very soft. It's been boiling for about 3 hours now. All right, so I've taken it out. Okay, I've got mint leaf, coriander, red onions, and of course we've got ginger and garlic paste. For the spices, I've got chili powder, cumin powder, and I've got this adabi, kari ayam dan daging. I mean, this is a good concoction as well. Okay, and then I've got diced tomato. Okay, I've got peeled tomatoes. This is Roma tomatoes. Okay, if you can see, it's like that. So I'm going to put in there, and also we've got yogurt to go with this because this is going to be the northern Indian style of cooking. All right, I'm not going to use santan and all that. As you can see, I'm using the wok now because I'm using olive oil because I guess because the lamb alone dah berminyak, you know. So olive oil is okay, but actually if you use ghee, it's good. Then you know, kita dah berumur now, so kena lah instead of pakai ghee, try to cut down a bit lah. But anyway, ghee is always the best. Alright? And lamb is the best meat in the world. So first, biasalah. This time, as you can see, I didn't dice the onions. I sort of potong them manjang itu. Oops, ada skin sikit. You didn't see that? Haha. So now, you can see just now I put the bawang merah. But then actually, masa dia dah slightly before dia tu, I put the fresh green chili, and then chili kering, which I already rendam lah. Okay, now you know dia sudah naik bau. Okay, dia naik bau like that. So biasalah, you know, this sort of cooking, ginger garlic paste is very important. So I prepared earlier. 1 sudu besar, 2 sudu besar. Okay, because this is biasalah lamb. Lamb, you need garlic, you need ginger, then you punya rasa naik. But now you have to wait until apa ni dia got stir the thing. Nanti you wait, nanti dia punya bau naik. Okay, now dia dah jadi macam ni, and bau pun dah naik. What you do is what I do lah. I put in the lamb. But the lamb is super tolak. Dia dah ada dia punya water and all that, and it's okay. Okay, so you just stir it up. Okay. Now you just stir it up and all that. Then you can letak your serbuk tadi tu, the kari daging atau kari ayam punya serbuk by adabi. Then you letak your cumin, 1 sudu besar, chili, I like it to be slightly spicy, so that's why 1 sudu besar juga. And that's about it. Okay, as you can see, bila kita dah letak tu semua, what you do, you put from some tomatoes. Oh, straight away become Italian slang lah. Tomatoes, and then this is the diced tomato. Okay, that's about it. This is the part that I like most. Okay, what you do when you take the coriander, put inside. Nampak? You see the color. See the color. Then you put the mint. Okay. About it, but we're going to see the color. So beautiful. See? Wow. Tengok. You see? So this is not done yet because dia punya gravy dia tak pecah minyak lagi. So dia belum lagi. Because we're going to put letak lagi dia punya yogurt. Nanti this one dia dah masak baru later stage baru I put the bawang, I mean the what do I call it? The garam. As you can see now, this is the yogurt. This natural yogurt tau, tak ada apa, nothing inside, whatever. Okay. Okay, you buat dia bila you dah gaul semua, you biar dia macam ni, okay? Biar dia macam ni. You just let it be sekejap. After that, I'm going to put the broth inside. Okay, now what you do, bila you nampak benda tu dah steaming up like that, okay, this is the broth, the lamb broth that I used to boil the lamb just now. So you can still use this actually, you know. Don't put it to waste because all the juice is everything inside. So what you do, just pour it in. Okay, that's enough. So now it's just that you've got to now just stir, and then don't worry, you nampak macam ni dia banyak, but then afterwards bila dia dah pecah minyak semua betul-betul, you're going to see it's going to be very thick. And but then of course dia ada gravy lah. Okay, so now is a good time for you to also, you know, kat tepi-tepi tu nampak, now bila dia dah basah macam ni senang sikit je buat. So nak basuh lagi senang. So now is the waiting game saja. Alright. Okay, as you can see, inilah I punya lamb curry. Ala Northern Indian sikit lah. The yogurt. I don't use santan semua lah. And this is the main dish. To go is the bendy mustard and my raita. Oh yeah, tadi if you were to see the video just now, the raita actually you're supposed, bila I put the minyak, you're supposed to stir it. Alright, you can go and search that. And then of course this is my tomato rice yang tadi I buat tu. Alright, so it looks good. So we shall bon appetit. Enjoy, okay? So you can try, but basically about masak and all that, it is all about how you feel at the moment lah. Tapi of course ada measurement, but then you know, you must explore. Some people, it's just like a chemical engineer lah. You're mixing things and all that. How you like certain spices go with what, right? Enjoy!